If your duct insulation is damaged or missing, you're basically losing a bunch of energy and money without even knowing it. Alright, so first off, check your ductwork for any spots where the insulation looks torn, wet, or totally gone. If you spot damaged insulation, rip it off carefully and replace it with new duct insulation that fits snug. Make sure to wrap it tight around the ducts so no air escapes or heat leaks out. Use foil tape made for ductwork to seal the seams. Regular tape won't hold up. Also, pay extra attention to any bends or joints in the ducts, since those spots are prime for losing insulation. If you have ducts running through unheated spaces like basements or attics, don't skip insulating those parts either. This helps keep your heating and cooling working way more efficiently. And remember, always wear gloves and a mask when handling insulation to avoid irritation. Keeping your ducts insulated right can seriously cut down on your energy bills and make your home way comfier. One of the biggest mistakes people make with duct insulation is ignoring visible damage, which lets heat leak out and wastes energy. Fix it by regularly inspecting and swapping out bad insulation. Another common issue is using the wrong type of insulation or poor installation, like leaving gaps or not sealing seams well. Always get duct-specific insulation and use foil tape for sealing. Lastly, many forget to insulate ducts in unconditioned spaces, which is a huge energy waster. Make sure every stretch of duct, especially in cold or hot areas like attics or crawl spaces, gets insulated properly to keep your system efficient. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot for homeowners wanting to find reliable local contractors who actually know what they're doing with stuff like duct insulation. Plus, it's a great way for contractors to connect with people looking for their services and score more jobs without hassle.